So there is a question, what does the word gospel mean? So let's try. What does the word gospel mean? And searching the scriptures. So according to this, the word gospel comes from the Old English words God, which is good, and spell means news. So, meaning gospel, good news. In the context of Christianity, it refers to the message of salvation through Jesus Christ. There's a Greek origin. The Greek word is euangelion. So I don't know how to read it, but this means good news or glad tidings. So when you say gospel, it's good news or glad tidings. Latin influence. The word evangelium was used to translate Evangelion. Ah, okay. Yeah, so this V is used to be the U, and it is from this Latin term that the English word gospel is derived. Mm. The gospel is a central message of Christianity proclaiming the life, the death, resurrection, and teachings of Jesus Christ as the means of salvation for humanity. It is the message of hope, redemption, and the promise of eternal life through the faith of Jesus. So, the key Bible verses, the gospel is the power of God that brings salvation to everyone, according to Romans chapter 1, verse 16. For I am not ashamed of the gospel, because it is the power of God. So, in short, conclusion, the word gospel encapsulates the essence of Christianity, emphasizing the good news of salvation. Wow, I learned something today. I hope you learned something today also. Have a great day.